Dear homeowner, Dayton here with Prodria Cleaning Services, and today I want to give you 5 things that you need to look for, 5 things that you need to know before you hire a water damage restoration company. Number 1 is that you have to ask about their experience. You have to know, have you done this work before? Have you dealt with water claims? Have you dealt with fire claims? You want to make sure that they know what they're doing. You want to make sure that they understand the terminology, that they know how to deal with insurance company and help you all the way through the process. Number 2, reputation. It's very simple. You can go nowadays online to Facebook, Google, read what others have to say about that company. You want to make sure you're working with a reputable company in town. Number 3 is billing. You want to make sure that that company doesn't overcharge. There is a software called Xactimate, is what insurance companies uses, and a lot of contractors like us have access to it. The billing should be aligned with what insurance company pay. That way you're not a lot of money out of pocket and everything can be negotiated and get paid. That way you don't get a surprise bill. Number 4 is equipment, tools. What are you using in my house, in my building to restore this? Are you using thermal cameras to find the water? Moisture meters. You don't want someone just to show up and say, oh, that section is wet, we just have to do this and that. You want to go out of use tools to tell you the numbers, to get readings. That's what professionals do. If you have the training, if you are ICRC certified, which is most companies should be like ours, we got the training on. They teach us how to use those tools to better restore your house. And number 5, you don't want anybody in your house without any warranty, any guarantee of the work. If you're working in my house, I want to make sure that you're giving me some kind of guarantee that if something goes wrong, I have someone to call, I can get you back in. But those are the 5 points that you should look for before you hire a water damage restoration company. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you.